In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import bookmarks in Brave browser. By the end of this video, you'll have your saved bookmarks from another browser or backup file successfully added to Brave and ready to use. First, open Brave browser. If it's already open, make sure you're on a regular window where you can access the main menu and settings. Next, click the menu button in the top right corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the menu that opens, hover over Bookmarks, then click Bookmark Manager. This takes you to the page where all your Brave bookmarks are organized, and it's the right place to bring in bookmarks from a file. Now, in the Bookmark Manager, look to the top right corner and click the 3 vertical dots. This opens the management options for your bookmark collection. From here, select Import Bookmarks. This option is specifically designed to pull bookmarks in from a file you already have. It prevents manual copying and keeps your structure intact. Once that's done, a file window will open. Choose your .html file. This is the standard bookmarks export file most browsers create, including Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. If you're not seeing your file, check the folder where you saved your export and make sure the file type filter is set to show HTML files. Selecting the correct .html file ensures Brave can read and import your bookmarks properly. At this point, click Open. Brave will start importing immediately. For most files, this only takes a moment. Your existing bookmarks are not deleted. The import simply adds the bookmarks from your HTML file into Brave. You should now see the imported bookmarks appear in the Bookmark Manager. Depending on how the file was organized, they may come in as folders or individual links, matching the structure from the original browser. If your file had a bookmarks bar section or folders, those will be preserved in the imported result. If you imported a large file with many folders, give it a second to finish. The page will update as items are added. You can visually confirm the import by looking for your familiar folder names and links in the list. The imported bookmarks will be available for normal use across Brave, including from the Bookmarks menu and the Bookmarks bar if you have it enabled. If the file you selected wasn't a valid HTML bookmarks file, the import won't complete. In that case, you simply repeat the process and make sure you select the correct .html export. The correct file typically has bookmarks in the name and ends with .html. To recap the exact actions on screen, you opened Brave browser, clicked Menu, went to Bookmarks, opened Bookmark Manager, clicked the 3 dots at the top right, chose Import Bookmarks, selected your .html file, and clicked Open. Following those steps brings your saved links into Brave with their original structure, making them easy to find and use. That's it. Your bookmarks are now imported into Brave browser and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.